Hey everyone, Zed at Are You Cars. We are back with this 2013 Ford Mondeo. It's a 63 registered version. It's the 2.2 TDCi Titanium X Sport. And this one is automatic, so it's the 6-speed fully auto. Don't confuse it with the power shift gearbox. These have the Acing gearbox in, very reliable, good gearbox. This one's finished in the, I think they call it a unique paint range, but the ice white pearl, so it's a bit of a flip colour, bit blue, bit white, bit silver. It's absolutely stunning. It's done 79,000 miles, it's got 10 services. Xenon lights, gloss black grills. Absolutely gorgeous car. Rides on the 19-inch alloys. They've all got really good tyres, all very recent. It's got the sunroof. It's got the summer pack. Absolutely stunning. You'll just see there, as the light catches it, the colour flips a bit. Difficult to show it indoors. It does look totally different outside. It's got front and rear parking sensors. The reg is there for you to do any checks that you feel we want to do. Just look at it. You won't see a better looking Mondeo than this. It's mega. As I say, the tyres are all very recent. I'm going to guess there's about 7mm left on them. There's a chip on the bonnet there that's been touched up. It's been touched up quite well, to be fair. You can't see it from a metre away. Other than that, the exterior, very good. Let's show you inside. We'll start with the boot. If I can, there we go. Massive boot, cavernous. Somebody described the boot as to me once on one of these. Got the floor mats, genuine load boot mat as well. All your kit in there. There is no spare wheel, as you can see. But all very nice, all very clean, doesn't smell, there's no signs of dogs, etc. In the car, we've got the leather stroke Alcantara with the red stitch, which is super nice. We've got your armrest, and this car also benefits with the summer pack. It has the blinds, as you can see there. As we move into the front, condition wise, remains excellent. There is a little bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but nothing that we shouldn't be expecting at 79,000 miles. It's got the folding mirrors, obviously electric windows all round, auto lights and wipers. It's carbon style trim, I'm going to call it. Got your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control, your audio controls and everything else on there. You can see there that the mileage is 79,340, and I'll just start the car now. So you can see there's no warnings, nothing untoward. Switch the aircon off because that's blowing a gale at me. But there you go. No warnings. All perfect. We've got the Sony DAB stereo. You'll have seen in the boot it's got the subwoofer as well, so it's got the better sound quality with the Sony stereo. I believe it's got Bluetooth phone as well, look. We've got heated rear screen and heated windscreen, parking sensors, dual climate control. I've just switched it off though because it was blowing at us. Your gear selector, cup holders, and climatic seat control. So you can see the driver's one is blue for cold and the passenger is on red for hot. You can swap those around. That's again part of the summer pack, look. That's enough of that. Got the sunroof, which is all working well. And that's about it. Honestly, don't think you'll find a nicer Mondeo. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.